Okay, friends, so now we will go to one of the very important topic of MS Word, and that is your mail merge. You might have heard about the mail merge, but now I will show you practically. So when mail merge is used, so you have a letter, you have typed some letter over here. Let me open a file. So I open a mail merge practice file. This is a letter and I say enable editing, and I want this letter to send to multiple peoples. One is on their email, or it can be I want to take a print of it and I wanted to give it to them, or post it, courier it, and invite them, or it's a bonus letter for multiple employees and I wanted to do it. So this is a fixed format. This is format. And now I want to do this for same for 150 people. How do I do that? I can't say copy, paste, change the name, copy, paste, change the name, again copy, paste, change the name, and I create 150 pages. No, I will not do that. How I will do? Here I will be using mail merge option. So there are two things required. One is the Word file, which is this, and another is the Excel file in which you have names, email addresses of all these things. So I go to my practice files, and over here I have given you this file. Yeah. Do you see this? Mail merge recipient. Here you have, and you have mail merge practice. So I will say mail merge practice, 23rd file practice, mail merge practice. So in this mail merge practice, I will see some name and I will see addresses. So what is my aim? In this Word file, here below 2, I want it should be written name of a person. And again, after the dear, you want a name of a person. So here I want name of a person and the address also. Let's say, how do we do that? So now we will connect this Word file to Excel so that he pulls the data near the dear Ramzan. So Ramzan should be pulled from an Excel file. This is my aim. Got it? Now, how do we do that? See, so I go to the MS Word. First, I will take the copy the path. If your file is on a desktop or wherever, I have copied the path from here, because in this path I have this Excel file where I have name of the people. Okay. Then I will come in the Word. I will come in the MS Word, and in MS Word on the top you have an option mailing. You have an option mailing. You go to the mailing, and on the left hand side you get an option start mail merge. Start mail merge. I click on it, and over here you get an option. You want letter, you want email. If you have email addresses, you can even do emailing, but your default email sending software should be Outlook. Okay. So that is the one condition. So I click on the letters because I wanted to print the letters. When I click on the letters over here, I will see this screen. So I go to the start mail merge and I click on then step-by-step mail merge. Even if you don't click on letters, no problem. You can directly click on step-by-step mail merge wizard. So you will get this screen on the right hand side. Here I selected the letters, and then you will say next. You will get this screen. How do you want to set up your letters? I will say use the current document. Then again here he says select recipient. Here I have to select that Excel file where I have names of all the participants. So I click on recipient, and here you get an option browse. I click on browse and I will say paste. And in this path, I will go and check my Excel file. Little big option, I know this. Don't worry, video is recording. So you can practice also. Don't worry, you can repeat twice, thrice. If you are not able to do, don't worry. So I say mail merge practice and I say open. When I say open, it will show you that in that file, this is your sheet. I say yes, right, okay. And now it will show you the text that in that Excel file, in that particular sheet, these are your names. Do you want this? I say yes, I want this. And I say okay, khalas. Now what you should do is, I will put my cursor over here below to, and on the top, this mailing is there. Here you get an option, insert merge field. You click on it and I say insert name. I have got name. Down arrow key, I come over here and I say I need an address also. So here now you are getting the field name and address, but actually you should see the name of the actual person and the exact address where you wish to send. So here you have to preview the result. So here you will click on this option that is ABC. This ABC, so it will show you the exact name. So we will repeat this process once again, not the entire. I put my cursor near dear. So I go over here, insert merge, and I say name, done. And I remove this and I put comma, khalas. Now this one name came. Now, do you see this number? See, I'm clicking on this 2. So now it came Andrew Sharjah. Third, Jen Kotas, Maria, fourth, Stephen, Robert, understanding? But now you will say, Ramzan, it is coming on one page. I want separate pages for each one of them. How do you do that? Then over here, you get an option, finish and merged. And here, if you want all the documents to be printed, you click on print. If you want to send the messages, you click on email message. If you want one by one below another, the letter should come. Then you click on edit individual document. I click on it and say, okay, all, and wait for a few seconds. And you will see within few seconds, your all the documents are created. So I'm zooming it a little bit less so I can just show it to you that all these letters are created for each one of the 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters. So 11 people name were there and you will observe all this has come. So it becomes easy. If this you would have to do on your own, then it would have took lots of time. But here with the help of mail merge, you did in an easier way. Okay, got it everybody? So you need to actually see this recording twice. If you forget, then you will be able to do it in an easier way. Thank you.